To use the NugentScore application, simply click on it. From here, you'll see that only one type of specimen can be analyzed: vaginal swab. Click on Analyze and wait for the result. Once the result is ready, you will see two main pieces of information: the classification and the confidence score. To make manual adjustments, navigate to the top bar and click on the Show AI's Correction option. From this screen, you can select the corrected Nugent score as well as one or more types of bacteria. Then, click on Reanalyze and wait for the updated result. After obtaining the corrected version of the analysis, you will notice that, in addition to the AI-generated result, the data you added in the Manual Adjustment section is also displayed under Manual Result. Additionally, you'll see that keywords have been automatically pre-selected based on the analysis.